Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Flodesk, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you change your sender name in Flodesk? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to update the sender name in Flodesk anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business sending out emails, you know that if you have a name that shows up in the email inbox that's familiar to the user, it could help increase your open rate. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Flodesk dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Flodesk, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to change your email sender name, up here on the top right, you're going to click on this little circle. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on Email Setup. Okay, once you do that, you're going to look for the email address that you want to change the from name from. So for example, this one right here, you can see it just has a generic name. So if I send somebody an email with that and it just says name, it doesn't say my name, it's not likely they're going to open it. So I'm going to go ahead and use my channel name. Okay, I updated that, and then you're going to see this little pop-up, your sender profile has been updated. So now when I send out an email and it's received by my subscribers, they're going to see my channel name. They're not just going to see a generic name. So it's more likely that they're going to open up that email. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to change the sender name in your Flodesk account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.